Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about TOEIC, which stands for the Test of English for International Communication. It's an English language test used around the world to measure the ability to use English in a professional and global workplace setting. Companies often use TOEIC scores to evaluate job applicants or promote their employees. So, if you plan to work in an international environment, TOEIC can be very important.
The TOEIC test focuses more on practical English used in everyday work life. It's different from academic tests like TOEFL or IELTS. For example, TOEIC includes situations like meeting, email, phone call, or traveling for business. It's designed for people who need to use English on the job, not in school or academic writing. So, it's very useful for future office worker, manager, or professionals.
There are two main versions of the TOEIC test. First, the listening and reading test, which is paper-based and lasts around 2 hours. Second, the speaking and writing test, which is taken online. Most companies focus on the listening and reading test, but some jobs may also require speaking and writing skills, especially in communications-based roles.
Let's talk about the listening section. This section has 4 parts and 100 questions in total. You will hear conversation, announcements, and talks, and then answer related questions. It tests your ability to understand spoken English in work-related situations, such as a conversation between coworkers or a company meeting.
Next is the reading section. It also contains 100 questions divided into 3 parts. There is incomplete sentences, text completion, and reading comprehension. You'll be asked to complete emails, notice, advertisement, and short articles. It helps measure how well you understand written English in the workplace.
Scoring of listening and reading. First, role-based requirement. Many companies set their own minimum score requirement depending on the position. 2. Score range. Listening and reading gives a score from 5 to 495 with a total maximum of 990 points. 3. Good versus excellent score. A score of 700 and above is considered good, while 800 plus is excellent. 4. Communication skill. A higher score shows better English communication skill.
Now let's move to the speaking test. This part lasts about 20 minutes and includes tasks like reading aloud, describing a picture, and giving opinions. It's scored from 0 to 200. It helps measure how fluently and clearly you can speak English, especially in job-related settings like presentations and phone conversations.
The writing test also lasts about an hour and includes writing sentence, responding to emails, and expressing your opinion. Just like speaking, the writing section is also scored from 0 to 200. If you want to work in roles that involve reports, email, or written proposal, this section becomes very important.
So, why take the TOEIC test? Because it is widely accepted by more than 14,000 organizations in over 160 countries. It helps employers understand your English ability clearly. Having a good TOEIC score can make your resume stronger and increase your chances of getting a job in multinational companies.
Also, many universities and colleges, especially in Asia, use TOEIC as a graduation requirement or as part of their curriculum. In Indonesia, some companies and government institutions also use TOEIC scores when recruiting new employees on interns. So, TOEIC is only useful abroad but also at home.
To prepare for TOEIC, you can start by practicing with sample tests available online. You can also use apps, books, or take official TOEIC preparation course. The key is to practice regularly and get used to the format of the test. Remember, TOEIC is more about real life usage of English than complicated grammar rules.
One tip for the listening section, focus on understanding the main idea rather than every word. In the real test, the recording is played only once, so you have to stay focused. Try practicing with English podcasts, Business New, or YouTube videos with professional English content.
And for the reading session, time management is very important. You'll have 75 minutes to answer 100 questions, so don't spend too long on one question. If you don't know the answer, move on and come back later if there's time. Also, make sure to read questions carefully and underline keywords.
Many people ask, how long is the TOEIC score valid? The answer is 2 years. After that, your English ability might change, so you'll need to take the test again if recruited by a school or employer. So, it's best to take the test when you're actively studying English or applying for a job.
What's a good TOEIC score to aim for? It depends on your goal. For most jobs, 800 to 750 is enough. But for international companies, more than 800 is usually preferred. The best way to improve your score is to stay consistent, read, listen, speak, and write in English every day.
Alright, so to wrap up, TOEIC is a very practical and valuable English test, especially for those who plan to work in a global or professional environment. It tests not only your grammar and vocabulary, but also how well you use English in real-world business situations. Good luck to all of you preparing for the test, and thanks so much for watching our video.